Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? All right, machine is starting. 3, 2, 1.
Eventually.
All right, it's a rough start, but it's going.
Hey, hey, hey.
Oh! So,
Hit it.
just gently, gently. There you go. Nicely done. Woo! Nicely done. Oh my word! Let's give it a little, might still go.
Too much tape. Hold on.
Still progressing. Oh, nicely done. Nice. Oh, gently. Nice. Wow. Nicely done. Excuse me. It worked. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, congratulations on the first pass-through of the machine. You now know where the weaknesses are that need to be addressed. I'm going to give you 10 minutes to reset to make sure the weaknesses disappear. We're going to go for one more run, a final test. One more run.